Here's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. With its chiseled muscle, it would be easy to dismiss this GL Class's presence as mere swagger. But from behind the wheel, its agility will give you something even more valuable: confidence. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: twin-turbo V8 engine, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Popular Mechanics writes, "What caught our attention is how well this big 2 tons plus SUV comports itself on all roads paved or otherwise." Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.